Yo, what's up mga pare ko? Full body workout para sa mga taong busy or limited lang ang time. Let's go! Una, squat. Tinatarget nito ang quads, glute, hamstring, calves, and core. Do this at 3 set and 12 reps. Followed by incline bench press using Smith machine. Target nito ang upper chest, front delt, and tricep. Do this 3 set and 12 reps. Next off deadlift. Target naman nito yung glutes, hamstring, core, and back. Do this 3 set and 12 reps. And next, overhead press. Target naman ito yung deltoids, triceps, and traps. Do this at 3 set and 12 reps. And last exercise, barbell row. Target nito ang middle upper back, lats, rhomboids, and traps. Do this at 3 set and 12 reps. Maximize nyo na lang yung rest nyo, like 30 to 60 seconds rest between set and 2 to 3 minutes between exercise.